Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through the step-by-step process of activating your Family Mobile account quickly and easily. Whether you're a new customer or transferring services, we've got you covered. Let's get started. Step 1. Gather your information. Before you begin the activation process, ensure you have all the necessary information at your fingertips. This includes your Family Mobile phone, SIM card, and the activation code that came with your SIM kit. Step 2. Insert your SIM card. Start by inserting your SIM card into your phone. Locate the SIM card tray, which is typically found on the side of your device. Use a SIM eject tool or a paperclip to open the tray. Insert the SIM card carefully and close the tray securely. Step 3. Power on your device. Once the SIM card is in place, turn on your device. Allow it to boot up completely before moving on to the next step. Step 4. Connect to Wi-Fi. Make sure your device is connected to a Wi-Fi network. This is essential for downloading any necessary updates and accessing the activation page. Step 5. Visit the activation website. Open a web browser on your device and navigate to the Family Mobile activation website. This is usually familymobile.com activate. http://familymobile.com activate. Step 6. Enter your information. You'll need to enter some details to start the activation process. This includes your phone number, the last 4 digits of your social security number, and the activation code found in your SIM kit. Follow the on-screen prompts to fill in all required fields. Step 7. Choose your plan. After entering your information, you'll be prompted to select a mobile plan. Review the available options and choose the plan that best fits your needs. Step 8. Confirm your activation. Once you've selected your plan, review all the information you provided. Make sure everything is correct and then confirm your activation. You should receive a notification confirming that your account is now active. Step 9. Test your service. To ensure everything is working properly, make a test call or send a text message. If you're able to do this successfully, congratulations. Your Family Mobile account is now activated and ready for use. Step 10. Download the Family Mobile app. For easier management of your account, consider downloading the Family Mobile app. This app will help you monitor your usage, pay bills, and manage your plan directly from your smartphone. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials, and give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful. Thank you for watching and enjoy your new Family Mobile service.